A lot of traders use trading journals, but I couldn't find a good one for options. So I went ahead and made one for you guys because I love you. And I'm gonna go ahead and go through a fictitious trade here with you just so you can see how it all works. So in this way, I have it set up where the date, you can actually click on it and it's gonna open the exact trade that you went through on the candlestick chart, so you can see exactly what was happening, and maybe in the future you can look back and better analyze what went right or what went wrong so that you can actually see what works and what doesn't. I'll show you how to do that in a second. For your account balance, you're going to copy and paste it from this cell right here. Okay, and you're going to put it right here. This ticker, let's say we're doing Visa. Let's say we're doing another bull call spread. We'll just say the debit was $100. That's how you're going to write it. Since it's a debit trade, you're risking how much you paid for it, so we're risking $100. Doesn't make sense up here because it was a debit for $150, but just ignore that. Now you see how this one right here, the yellow is a little bit lighter. That means that these cells below it in this column are going to be automatically calculated, so you can skip over that. You can enter your share price at entry and exit if you want to. You don't have to, it's up to you. Your potential max profit will say, and you can get this from options profit calculator that I've gone over a lot in other videos. Now if you're buying a straight out call, the potential max profit is infinite, so just go ahead and leave this blank, because over here this is automatically calculated percent of max profit, but you can't get a percentage of infinity, so don't even bother if you're just buying a call outright. Otherwise, put your potential max profit that you can find on optionsprofitcalculator.com, and then also enter your profit and loss for the trade. Now if you go over to the right a little bit further, you can see the account change percentage, it went up or down for the trade, and the credit at exit or debit at exit will be automatically calculated for you. Now the starting account balance is the starting account balance at the very first day you start entering trades into this. Your total profit and loss will automatically be calculated based on this column here, and then your current account balance will also automatically be calculated. And again, you'll be copying and pasting it over here every time you do a new trade. Now to do this hyperlink thing, just in case you don't know, let's say we're doing one on the 20th. What I did is I took a screenshot of my trading view chart and saved it on my hard drive. So I suggest you do the same with whatever charting software you use. And you're gonna click on the cell you want to link it to. Make sure you're on insert up here. Go over to link on the right, and you're gonna find the file. So in here I have it as an example right here, and I hit OK, and bam, now you can click on it and you can see the exact trade you went through, so you can better analyze it, figure out what you did right and what you did wrong. So anyway, definitely hit subscribe if you want more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell right next to it. Otherwise, good luck guys, and I love you.